So here we have it. It's a clear simulation to real data correlation. So our challenge is to tweak the coefficients, improve our physical model to close the gap between our simulation tool and the real data. For that, we've gathered some real data from some open source data source online. It's called comma.ai openpilot. You can find a lot of CAN bus data in there from different types of cars. The format is really easy to use. You will see it divided by different platforms, the devices that they use, the routes, and then it's compressed in a .cst. So we picked 3 random models from there. We ensured they were different. So we have a heavy pickup, we have some hatchback. You see, we have different cars, and we've downloaded a decent amount of files. Each of these correspond to a different route. So we have over 700 opportunities to simulate the Mustang Mach-E, over 2,400 for the Hyundai, and etc. And we are keeping it simple. This is just the means to learn about the AI assistance. So we are starting with a bicycle model. You know, it's a rigid road wheelbase. We simplified a lot of things, no tires, no slip. The model is really simple, but what we are going to be doing is we'll introduce this longitudinal speed and a steering angle as an input, and then we're going to measure from our model the position and heading. So we want to get especially the lateral response after inputting the speed and angle. And to assess that, we've set up 2 measures. We'll have the yaw-rate. We are going to measure the average standard error. So we want to have an overall view of how we are deviating from the real data. And the same for the lateral position. So yaw and cross-track error, these are the 2 metrics we want to optimize. We want to close the correlation gap at, and we are going to have this model to do so. Just as a benchmark, we use the coefficients recommended in the database and run some simulations on all these models, and we got these numbers. We'll see later whether we can improve them or not, but this is the numbers that we are starting with. Summary, we have the data, we have the model, and we have a baseline model that we want to improve. We want to improve this correlation quality with the real data. That's going to be our challenge throughout the webinar. Let's see how we can solve it.